Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you to discuss a topic often overlooked but profoundly impactful in our daily lives: kitchen ethics. As professionals in various fields, we understand the importance of integrity, responsibility, and respect in our workplace. However, it is equally crucial to apply these principles in the heart of our homes, the kitchen. Kitchen ethics encompass a range of behaviors and practices that not only ensure the safety and hygiene of our food, but also uphold moral values in our interactions with ingredients, equipment, and fellow kitchen occupants. First and foremost, we must recognize the significance of food safety. Every action in the kitchen, from sourcing ingredients to cooking and serving, must adhere to strict standards to prevent contamination and illness. This entails proper storage of perishables, thorough cleaning of utensils and surfaces, and meticulous attention to cooking temperatures. By prioritizing food safety, we not only protect ourselves and our loved ones, but also uphold our ethical responsibility to maintain public health. Furthermore, kitchen ethics extend beyond physical safety to encompass environmental and social considerations. In an era of increasing awareness about sustainability, it is imperative to minimize food waste, choose ethically sourced ingredients, and reduce our carbon footprint. By adopting practices such as composting, purchasing local and organic produce, and using energy-efficient appliances, we contribute to a healthier planet and support ethical farming practices. Additionally, we must address the ethical treatment of kitchen staff and fellow household members. Respect and consideration should govern our interactions, whether it involves sharing communal spaces, allocating tasks, or providing constructive feedback. Recognizing the contributions of each individual, regardless of their role in the kitchen, fosters a culture of inclusivity and collaboration. Moreover, kitchen ethics encompass honesty and integrity in our culinary endeavors. Whether we are amateur cooks or seasoned professionals, we must resist the temptation to cut corners or misrepresent our skills and ingredients. Transparency about the origins of our food, the methods of preparation, and any potential allergens ensures trust and integrity in our culinary creations. In conclusion, kitchen ethics are not merely a set of rules or guidelines, but a reflection of our values and principles as individuals and as a society. By upholding standards of safety, sustainability, respect, and integrity in our kitchens, we not only nourish our bodies but also nourish our souls and communities. Let us strive to cultivate a culture of ethical conduct in our kitchens and beyond, enriching our lives and the lives of those around us. Thank you.